Going to test our app. So you can see this, type the video link here. I'm copied my video, this video link, and just you can long press the get button, so you can see, and you want to remove this https youtube.b, you only want this id, just click on get. You can see my thumbnail of that video. Welcome all to the new video of coding race. In this video we will learn how to make a thumbnail get app in MIT App Inventor. Start a new project, type project name thumbnail get app and just click on the OK. Okay, just change it to tablet. You want to visible of the title, go to layouts, drag and drop one horizontal arrangement, width will be fill parent, drag and drop one text box, one button, just click on the text box, width will be fill parent, hint will be type the not URL, video link here, just enter. Okay, just click on the button. The text will be get width, and width will be 20%. We want to choose the background color, custom. That's perfect. Yeah, click on it, fontable. Text color will be white. Drag and drop one image. Height and width will be fill parent. So we want two extensions, one clipboard extension and one YouTube extension. YouTube extension will help us to get text. I will give the link in description to visit this website, YouTube info extension, or just search it. Scroll down, you can see this youtube.ax, just click on it. Go to MIT App Inventor, go to extensions, import extension, drag and drop it or choose it. Drag and drop it to here. Next we want one clipboard extension. I will give the link in description. Clipboard extension, yeah. Just scroll it down. You can see this a download clipboard extension AX file. Just click on it. You will redirect to this page. Just click. You can see one counting. After that counting, it will be downloaded. Yeah, it is downloaded. I'm going to import it. Yeah, I'm just import it. Yeah, wait. Yes, drag and drop it to the screen. So this extension will help us to make this. So go to coding, drag and drop when button 1 dot click. Go to text box 1, drag and drop text box 1 dot text. Yeah. Go to YouTube, drag and drop get thumbnail. ID will be, I will give an example. Here we want to paste. I'm going to open my YouTube. I'm going to search coding race. Yeah, I'm going to open my video. Yeah, that's. And I'm going to click on this share and going to click on this copy. I'm going to add one text. Here I will paste that link. I'm going to cut this https.youtube.b. Cut it. After cutting, you can see this ID. You want to paste this ID on here. The user will paste that ID in the text box and he will click on that get button. So I'm going to remove it. Go to text box 1 dot text, drag and drop text box 1 dot text. And next go to button 1 again. You can see button 1 dot long click. Drag and drop it here. Yeah. And if the user will long press on that get button, the clipboard extension will paste. Go to text box 1 dot text, drag and drop it here and go to clipboard. You can see code clipboard dot paste. If the user will click on this get button, the app will paste the copied link here. Go to block section. These are our code for thumbnail get app. If you want more interesting app developing ideas, visit our YouTube channel. Thank you. Sorry, we have done a mistake. Here we have added the text box 1 dot text 2. Just remove it and add set image 1 dot picture 2.